Hello, everybody, fans of geometric methods. We have a short video on the same topic of the frame, but I just wanted to add one more idea here. So under this component, which is called beam joint, so you need to just double click on the canvas, and it's called beam joints Karamba. This one, beam joints Karamba. And what we want to do is identify the element where we're going to insert a hinge, the element. So here on my frame, it's the beam element. So I have the column as 0, the beam as 1, and the column as 2. So I need to change the element 1, the beam. And how do I change it? All it asks me to do here is to say, well, what do you want to release? Do you want to release the RY? Remember, let me just show you the model in 3D, and then you'll get a sense of it in 3D. So here we are in 3D. The rendered gives you a nice little white background. But what you could see is when I put the wireframe on, the red is the X, the Y is the green. So I'm releasing, put my thumb out there, I'm releasing the Y moment. Okay, so how do I do that? Very quickly, I want to go back to that beam joint component, and I want to tell it which element I said. So that's the 1 element for me because there's only 0, 1, and 2. And I want to release the RY, let's say at the end. So then my bending moment diagram, my bending moment should be 0 at the end, correct? And let's take a peek at that. Oops, sorry. And here it is. So you could see the bending moment diagram is 0 at the end, what you can call the far end if you're going from left to right. And then let's go ahead and change that to the other way. And then it would be pinned or inserting a hinge at the left end. So it could be at the left end of the beam or at the top of the column, but it cannot be both the left end of the beam and the top end of the left column. You don't want to have two joints bumping into each other. And we do that in our 306 class at Cal Poly. Come study at Cal Poly and you'll learn all these things. You don't put in the releases on either side of the joint, just one of them. And then why this is so exciting is because you can rapidly explore all of those different scenarios where we have different fixity cases at the bottom, right? And how it affects things in our response due to the lateral loads, or we could combine the lateral and the gravity. All right, I hope you loved it and looking forward to more. See you.